Hello everybody! Hadn't done a clock video in a while. And in my childhood during the 80s I had the little shed converted into a hangout out at my late grandfather's house. I will put a little clip of that here. But in that little place I had a clock identical to this, the Spartus travel alarm clock. I haven't cleaned it up or anything, but it does work. As a child, I always liked the clocks with the red second hands for some reason. I guess I still do. But I'm going to polish it up with some Novus and see how good I can get it to look. Come back here in just a little bit. So just a few minutes later, it is sparkling. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the alarm next. To activate the alarm, simply pull that little tab up. And here's the controls panel. This dial here sets the time. This dial here sets the alarm. Let's roll that little alarm hand around. And it's just got the typical alarm, but not very loud. And then I can turn that off. So just a real quick video on my Spartus travel quartz. It's a quartz, quasarts. My Spartus quartz travel alarm clock. Made in USA. So my original one, I might have gotten it in 86, 87, maybe 1988. So this one's probably at least the same age. Could be a little newer, could be a little older, but it's identical to the one I had from my childhood. So once again, this has been my Spartus Travel Quartz Alarm Clock. Thank you for watching.